from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Time to prepare for the winter storm that's coming our way. And Henrico Schools officials celebrate the expansion of Virginia Randolph. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Partly sunny day ahead with a high of 51 before the cold weather arrives. The News Minute is brought to you today by Ironworks Soaps.
And now for the news.
Lots of snow and ice headed our way this weekend, and Dominion Energy officials are warning that there could be lengthy power outages for many in the area. Henrico County libraries and recreation centers are planning to be open to the public during normal operating hours. Officials are warning people to stay off the roads during the storm. A number of other common sense tips from officials. You should organize emergency supply kits and medicines. Insulate your home as best as possible. Put together an emergency kit for your car. Fully charge all your electronic devices and ensure that portable power banks also are charged. And make sure that you have enough fuel for vehicles and heating sources. If you use a generator, it should be kept at least 20 feet away from your home. We've got more tips right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Earlier this month, Henrico County Public Schools celebrated the long-awaited grand opening of the new campus at Virginia Randolph building, a project that cost the division nearly $90 million. County leaders and dozens of alumni from Virginia Randolph Community High School, the school's all-black high school up until the 1960s, attended the event. The new building has an open and modern design with large windows lighting up the hallways, colorful murals donning the walls, and cushioned seating areas for students to gather in. It's everything that former students there could have envisioned when they attended years ago. The site of the old high school now hosts the school system's alternative programs for students who need more academic and behavioral support. The Academy at Virginia Randolph for grades 9 through 12, and the Virginia Randolph Education Center for grades K through 6. It also is home to a career and technical education center for high schoolers. Our education and government reporter Leanna Hardy was at the event. She's got complete coverage of it. You can read that article later today on henricocitizen.com. Earlier this week, Virginia legislators discussed options for funding of public school renovations and maintenance projects. House Bill 334 would allow all counties and cities in the state to impose an additional local sales and use tax of up to 1%, with that revenue to be used exclusively for long-term investments in public school facilities. The bill is patroned by Delegate Sam Rasool of Roanoke. It cleared the House Finance Subcommittee in an 8-2 vote. Currently, only a handful of regions are permitted to impose such a tax, but this proposal would extend that authority statewide, leaving the decision to local voters through a referendum. The bill previously advanced through the General Assembly with bipartisan support and a 2/3 majority for 2 consecutive years, but did not quite make it to the finish line, according to Rasool. And an effort to provide K through 12 students with free breakfast in Virginia public schools is moving forward in the General Assembly. The bill has advanced a few years in a row, but fell short of becoming a law because of some legislators' concerns about cost. Senate Bill 4 would narrow the scope of free meals provided to students to just breakfast and would have the state reimburse each school for the breakfasts that they provide. You can read more about this later today on our website from our partners at Virginia Mercury. And it's the end of the week. That means you can also find our Restaurant Watch and Weekend Top 5 right now on our website. A word of caution, though, those events that we have listed in our top 5 are subject to change or cancellation because of the weather. Hope you stay warm and make it a great weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Ironworks Natural Soap. Ironworks, a men's grooming and supply company, is located in Short Pump and has launched a new line of soaps for men. They're all natural and offer a great lather, provide nourishment for skin, and have no synthetic ingredients. Learn more at ironworkssoap.com.